Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're checking out the Photon Storm. Most of you have already seen this gun. It's not new, it's been around for a little bit now. Probably seen it either here on YouTube or on some Nerf blogs. But I finally got a chance to get my hands on one. And I will say it was not cheap getting it to the US, but I got one, and we're going to check it out here now. Now this is a electric flywheel blaster like the Nerf Barricade, and it runs on 5 AA batteries, which are in the stock. And the scope is adjustable, it's removable, but it's just a hollow piece of plastic. The clip holds 12 darts, and the gun comes with 10 streamline looking darts. They're a little shorter than Nerf streamlines, and they're really poorly made. There's glue all over them, and the rubber tips are crooked on most of them. But it also comes with 10 suction darts, so it shoots both. I've actually got Nerf streamlines loaded into it, and the button here on the side, this is the clip release button to take the clip out. And on the other side you have the on-off switch. Just switch it on. Power seems to be pretty decent. I have had a few misfires, and the darts don't always come out and go straight. Sometimes they just flip and spin. But so the quality isn't all that great, but it's a really cool looking gun. And I'm pretty sure some voltage mods can be done to up the voltage on it. And let's see here, I also have Nerf clip, and it will fit inside this gun. It's a tight squeeze, but it does fit, and it does actually work. Turn it on. So Nerf clip can be used with it, but take a few shots here through the chronograph to see how fast the darts can shoot. That's it. Well, like I said, it's really inconsistent. Like I had about a 50 feet per second shot, so it's shoots the darts out slightly a little bit faster than a Nerf Barricade. Like I said, it does jam quite a bit. That might be an easy fix with just doing something to the flywheels, help it grip the darts a little better. Overall, it's a fairly decent gun. I mean, if you can find one for a good price, I would grab it just on how cool it looks. If you have to pay an arm and a leg for it, I would pass, because I mean, it's a really cheaply made gun. There's no quality to it whatsoever. I actually have 2 of these. I may sell one just to recoup some of the costs, but if could possibly integrate something into it, that would be really cool, because I mean it's just a really neat looking shell. But that's it, the Photon Storm. Thanks for watching.